GPS location display. GPS is a network of orbiting satellites that send precise details of their position back to the Earth and track the exact location of the GPS receiver. There are about 24 geostationary satellites that orbit around the Earth every 12 hours, covering the whole planet. In this video we will see how to interface a GPS module with Arduino Uno. Here is the connection diagram of this project. NEO6M GPS module has 3 main pins: VCC, ground, and TX. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. TX pin will transmit the data to the Arduino, so it will be connected with the RX pin of Arduino. 16x2 LCD display has 2 lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5-volt. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line #include liquid crystal.h. Then we will declare the name of the used pins in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. To use the GPS module, we will include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write #include tinygps.h. Encode data read from GPS while data is available on serial port. Encode basically is used to pass the string received by the GPS and to store it in a buffer so that information can be extracted from it. Void setup is a function in which we have initialized the LCD and serial communication. 9600 is the speed of data communication. Data will transmit between GPS module and Arduino with the speed of 9600 bits per second. LCD.begin 16,2. It means we are using 16 characters and 2 lines of the LCD display. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. Smart delay 1000. This function will generate the precise delay of 1 millisecond. These are the variables and inbuilt functions used to extract the latitude and longitude from the received data from the GPS module. LCD.clear. This function is used to clear the LCD screen. LCD.setCursor 0,0. This function is used to print the message on the first line on LCD screen. LCD.printLATVAL, 6. This function will print the latitude on the LCD screen. LCD.setCursor 0,1. This function is used to print the message on the second line on LCD screen. LCD.printlngval, 6. This function will print the longitude on the LCD screen. Delay 2000. This function will generate 2 seconds of delay. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, We will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red, and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1, and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4, and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now we will connect the LCD display with our Arduino hardware board. Connect the red wire with 5 volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Connect the red, black, and green wire with the VCC, ground, and TX pin of NEO6M GPS module. Connect the red wire of NEO6M GPS module with the 5 volt pin, black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the green wire with the RX pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. Our project is performing as expected. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.